Hello everybody, in this video we are going to optimize the best Intel settings for gaming to get higher FPS, lower input lag and smoother gameplay on any of the Intel PC. So let's just jump right in and get started. So first of all, we can start by opening up Intel Graphics Command Center. You can directly search for it, Intel Graphics Command Center, and open it up like this. And this should be the interface you should be finding. So from the left hand side, you can open up display, and within display what you can do is you can look out for the refresh rate option available if that is available, and then set it to 60 Hz, 120 Hz, etc. And you can look out for scaling, and you can look out, make this scaling to maintain the display scaling. You can set it up. And we have color depth. You can also make the color depth to this one right here. And if you have color enhancement, you can turn it off. You can look out for color different here, and we have color. You can make the brightness enhancement to all colors and set it up. If you have color enhancement, you can turn off everything, even adaptive brightness, and even this color is available here, and set it up. And apart from that, what you can do is you can go to the system tab, and here within the system tab, look out for your driver version here. And what you may do is you can just go over and look out for your Intel driver. You can go to your device manager, hit enter, and look out for your display adapters. If you find Intel graphic drivers, right click on it, select update driver, and update your driver to the latest version available. Also, you can set up your Windows graphics settings. So you can go to your settings and go for system, go to display, and here scroll down and find the option for browse if that option is available, and you can set it up. You can look out for advanced display as well, and look out for the display. Similarly, you can look out for your display resolution, scaling, etc. You can set it up, and even your graphics, you can choose up your graphics right here and then optimize it and turn on this optimization as well. And apart from that, usually inside the game as well, you can just go over and set the Intel GPU as your graphic drivers. That should also probably work for you. Usually this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.